If your calendar is completely full, your team depends on you for everything, and yet your business feels stuck, you aren't leading. You're a bottleneck. And the hardest part? From the outside, it just looks like hard work, but internally, it feels like complete burnout. Let's fix that. I learned this the hard way while building my own companies. I honestly believed that staying involved in every single decision was what true leadership looked like. Every approval came across my desk. Every minor problem was solved by me. But what I didn't realize was that I had accidentally created a glass ceiling. The business was only growing as fast as I could personally keep up. That realization forced me to scrap how I was spending my time. And today, I'm going to share the exact 5-day audit I now give to founders to help them step out of the daily grind and back into true leadership. Let's break it down day by day. Day 1. Capture your time with precision. Stop guessing from memory. Write down what you actually do in real time. Every meeting, every email, every quick interruption. When you see it on paper, you'll realize just how reactive your day really is. Day 2. Evaluate your return on time. Look at your list and ask a hard question. Does this activity actually drive growth, or is it just keeping the lights on? Maintenance keeps you stable. Strategy makes you scale. Day 3. Find your bottlenecks. Look for the friction points where your team is waiting on you for approval or answers. Write down every question that lands in your inbox and figure out how to clear that path so they can move faster without you. Day 4. Redefine what only you should own. This is the hardest part. Step away from the comfortable tasks you've done for years. Your new job description is setting direction, developing key people, and making high-level future decisions. Delegate or systemize everything else. Day 5. Rebuild your week with intention. Redesign your schedule. Block out sacred time for high-value growth work, partnerships, systems, and mentoring, and treat it like an unmissable appointment. Listen, you don't need to change everything overnight. Just start with one change. Track your time for 2 days, delegate one task, or protect one single block of growth time this week. Burnout isn't caused by working too hard. It's caused by working in a role your business has already outgrown. If this hit home for you, drop a comment below with the one task you're going to delegate this week. Make sure to hit subscribe, and let's build a business that runs without burning you out.